Let me blow your mind. There are people sitting at home right now, not influencers, not tech bros, not even graduates, making steady, serious money online doing jobs so simple. You could literally do them while sipping tea in your pajamas. And the funny part, most of these jobs are so boring that almost nobody talks about them, which is why the people doing them are cashing out quietly, month after month. Today, I'm going to give you 9 of these high-paying, low-stress remote jobs that you can start without any experience. And yes, they are open to people in Nigeria, Africa, and worldwide. Hey, I'm Ayobami from Logic Income Academy. This channel is all about helping you find legit ways to earn online that actually pay. No scams, no get rich quick nonsense. Stick with me to the very end of this video because job number 8, I'm telling you, it is the easiest I've ever seen. Pays surprisingly well, and you could literally start today without spending a single kobo or dollar. Listen, I know a lot of you are tired of seeing job postings that require 3 to 5 years experience for an entry level role, or those remote jobs that are US and Canada only. That is why this list is different. Everything I'm about to share is beginner friendly, doesn't need fancy qualifications, and yes, I've personally confirmed that many of these companies hire from Nigeria, Africa, and globally. First up, data entry specialist. Now, I know typing data into spreadsheets doesn't sound exciting, but here is the truth. Companies all over the world have mountains of information they need organized, and they are willing to pay you to do it. It could be updating a list of customer emails, copying invoice details, or transferring numbers from scanned documents into Excel or Google Sheets. It is quiet work, no customer calls, and zero prayer. Beginners usually start around $12 to $20 per hour. But as you get faster and more accurate, your rate can jump. The best part, you can do it from anywhere. Websites to check include Clickworker, Appen, and SeekTrack, all beginner friendly and hiring globally. Number 2, online moderator. Imagine you are the security guard of an online space, but instead of walking around in the heat, you are sitting on your sofa with your laptop. Your job is to keep online communities safe, deleting spam, removing offensive content, approving new members, think Facebook groups, gaming forums, or even big brand websites. Pay is usually between $15 to $25 per hour. And because many communities run 24/7, you can often choose shifts that fit your lifestyle. Companies like Mod Squad, The Social Element, and Liveboard regularly look for people worldwide. At number 3, we have transcriptionists. You know those captions you see under YouTube videos or podcasts? Somebody type those. The job is simple. You listen to audio files, it could be an interview, a lecture, even medical notes, and you type exactly what you hear. No calls, no meetings, no talking, just you, your keyboard, and maybe a good cup of tea. Pay ranges from 30 cents to $1 per audio minute for beginners, and you can find work on Ref, Go Transcript, and Transcribe Me. At number 4, we have product tester. This is one of the most fun side gigs out there. Companies send you free stuff, gadgets, beauty products, apps, and all they want is your honest feedback. Sometimes they even let you keep what you test. And payment can range from $10 to $50 per test, and the gigs can add up quickly. We have sites like User Testing, Responded.io, and Toluna are great starting points. At number 5, we have online researcher. Ever been that friend who can find the best deals, rare information, or how to find answers on Google? Well, you can get paid for that. Clients might need a list of potential suppliers, research on market trends, or even fact-checking reports. This work is flexible, interesting, and pays $15 to $40 per hour. So you can check sites like Wonder, Ask Wonder, or freelancer.com to get started. At number 6, we have content curator. If you already spend hours scrolling Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, this is for you. Businesses need people to find and organize content, whether it is blog posts or videos or even images that they can repost or draw inspiration from. It is easy to learn and you can start at $12 per hour on Upwork and Fiverr. At number 7, we have customer support chat agent. This is customer service without phone calls. You help customers solve problems through chat or email, things like tracking orders, answering questions, or troubleshooting. Companies like Mosquad, Concentrates, and Support Ninja hire globally, and you can expect $13 to $20 per hour starting out. At number 8, we have voice tagging for AI. Remember earlier, I said this one feels like cheating. Here's why. Your job is to listen to short audio clips like someone saying turn on the lights and label them correctly so AI assistants like Siri or Alexa can understand human speech better. No tech skills required, just listening and tagging. So platforms like Appen, Lionbridge, and Water Labs pay up to $20 per hour. And finally, number 9, online survey panelists. Yes, surveys won't make you rich, but they are perfect for extra income. You share your opinion on products, ads, or trends and get paid for your time. Stick to legit sites like Pinecom Research, Swapbox, and Inbox Dollars. Do this alongside other jobs and you could easily add an extra $200 to $400 per month. So there you have it. 9 beginner-friendly remote jobs that pay well and don't need any experience. So guys, which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone, and if you want even higher paying remote job, think $30 per hour. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell because my next video is going to cover exactly that.